it's your boy Nathan.
And the girl CC.
And your boy OJ.
Yeah guys, and before we get any further into this video, I want to know, go down the first link in the description. I want to know, go over to your boy channel, go subscribe. You see me? Subscribe, like, share, comment.
And don't forget to turn on the post notification bell so anytime we put up a new video, you'll be the first to get it.
Yeah, and you see me guys, make sure you go over there, go show him some support and make you know, say yo, I see and Nathan. So right now guys, as you can see, I tyke over there with, yeah, we're there guys with a speed beer fly. We're there with a speed eating challenge, you see me guys. So
yeah,
we are gonna just use cornflakes. Me tell you, stop, ease up. We are gonna just use them here, you see me guys, everybody get them type of conflicts with them one. You see me? Big red Hawaii sauce.
tricks.
Yeah.
You see me people, instead of fruits or something, because we have only more video like this for me. So guys, the time is here. You see me? I just use the normal time. You see me people, so remember to like, share, comment
and subscribe.
Watch the ads them for CC and Nathan. Leave a comment as you click on the video, like it and make sure you stay tuned. You see me?
For real.
So,
yeah, guys.
alright, now it's 4:06. When it touch 4:07, you start pouring your cornflakes. So, yeah guys, remember if you go over to your boy channel, OJ
Subscribe.
TV.
Show him some love. Make him
Go over there, go
happy.
subscribe. Alright? 4:07 guys, so 3,
Short time.
2, 1.
Start fast everything?
Yes.
I start it fast too?
Kinda-
Too much.
Yeah man, that the more good.
A joke thing.
Alright people, see there? Pull up. Pull up, you know overdo it.
It's a favorite plan.
Pull up, look here.
So my one full.
People look for the pop.
My one full.
Brother, I want to go on over here, so.
Alright people, I'm not to eat it up, me I go and see it because OJ Vlog TV and Nathan. So guys, Nathan at the lead are gone.
You can't go on. You can't go on. Just doing on the turbo, a murder. Alright. Let's go.
Too sweet people.
How you try too much last guy there?
Comment to a comment.
I can see me then and confidence and tough your spirit.
Just don't let it last one to comment. Too sweet. Too sweet guys.
What?
Boy. Hurt me already.
You see,
But that hurt me.
I will tell it every 2 hours where that's going to get too much. If you want to eat that, my one first.
She even because I use a frosted flakes and it cried him.
Remember, you know, the good things, them, yeah?
Yeah.
Rasta. Them I will be like every day.
Every
remember?
day.
Me tell her, you know, silly rabbit tricks are for kids. She don't want you.
Them can't tell me that.
Right now, I can't just easy back and win the same. I'm not too bad.
I don't
too tough.
I'm not like chicks try tough.
Boom. So like tough crackers. I don't go like this in water for.
No, you have to take no, I saw one time that you took my when you tell me about curry.
Stop it nice don't and eat.
And that's just somebody over this way.
Guys.
We can't pick up
Well,
food.
guys,
Why you threat to me?
guys, we have a loser here. We have a loser.
You lose.
Move from me someone.
You lose. But you saw struggle too.
Me a business boy and no struggle man.
That's the way we win.
So that's why you stop Smaddy's plan. Them thing they
You're
call
so
bad
going
man.
to tell me that eat up my
Yo,
own.
eat the thing man, you're gonna load.
You're bad man.
First thing first,
no business.
two and if you touch it in the Kalisha.
You're load.
But you lose.
I want to be use.
No?
All you can do is put some more in there, make go back feet. I feel lose, yes man.
No.
Let's see lose.
No.
Sorry, yes, you have to have rules.
Always
Me
can
never-
make up back feet because you can't flip there. But what? You know, you touch it with your two hands, disqualified, lose out, get still, try to come on. What about my that's right, they lose.
Alright.
Road to victory.
My body full, right?
The what full? And a belly me ever say no?
Now we have to tap it up back.
Number one.
Hey.
Guys, tell
Guys,
them when you want to lead, you
my
have to
belly
tap it up
full.
back. Me say, because you just sit there, does not float so. Look here, when you lock them there in the water, they just float like boat.
Guys, I don't know my winner. Look here.
People watch you, nothing of this same way.
It's a loser.
If I swallow this in my mouth, I can feel it. No water, no water, no water, no water, no water.
Show them.
Guys, make sure you go over to him channel
Listen
and
to that.
subscribe.
Who don't have to subscribe
We
to
don't have
that?
to
Watch it.
subscribe to him, guys.
Tap up,
Okay.
wait. Cereal and everything, chips and everything.
Yeah, man.
We don't have to go subscribe.
Yes, please.
We want to show them so they have to subscribe.
Wait, frosted
Ah,
flakes.
trust. You can't use too much right to remember to say
Yeah, look a bit, look a bit. People watch it. The man top up again.
Frosted,
All of
cornflakes.
you above.
And
Go over there. Yo,
treats.
1,000 subscribers for that, guys. Please remember to bring the boss channel. 1K. You
Stop
see me?
him too bad.
Cause
And him
a
nothing.
YouTuber in
You
dream.
know, say him nothing him no OJ. This video greedy man.
Too bad.
Greedy man. But don't lose already that time I can use my phone.
You know how you have that, you know?
I will tell you.
What you gonna do with it?
In the fridge.
That's it. Oh.
I still gonna eat it.
Good, let's go them. Yeah.
Let's
Yeah.
go.
The good things them. Yeah.
Let's go. Don't
Hey, we
hurt
listen
your
to
belly.
bad mind. Bad
Let's
mind
go.
strong.
You see this last go she like?
I know it's a bad mind we can eat
And this is your best last go, guys. Premium one. So this is my last go. And this is fear last go. You see me? So which one you like?
No window.
Yeah, brother.
You haven't done this.
Yes, the people that want, the people that go over go subscribe with us. Remember, say you have to eat
Yo, the
that,
tricks
you know.
them tough like stone. Guys,
Them
if
soft.
have to eat
Remember-
off that, eat
remember-
it off.
Remember I skilly bang say, potato chips, crunchy.
Front. I saw they stay down when they in the water for 1 hour. Jaja.
You say my water on your tongue?
big up guys, want to say thank everybody for 17k subscriber guys.
We really appreciate it.
When we reach
so much.
20k we want to give away something guys.
Of course.
It's not gonna be big but it's gonna be big.
Yeah, we not support my bro thing and
Yeah.
I have to give thanks, you know? Yeah, grateful.
Well guys, you know
All
what
given
say.
time.
Make sure to support the box channel because I'm a part of the team, so you know.
Yeah.
All of we are YouTuber, we have one goal same.
I know everybody a try. So
And Jimmy just give a
Of
helping
course.
and then Jimmy subscribe to the boss channel.
And
The
the boss
first link
killer,
in
what
the
we don't, you know?
description.
we don't look here guys. Him
You
deserve
have little more.
deserve
You have little more.
1,000 subscribers. If him no want eat it off, him eat enough near
I mean, about 5 for the conflict man eat.
Boom.
I know the conflict right. Man, get the best of them. Can I get that? I just.
No, come on, get rid of this.
That's good. And you want to 30 seconds, guys. Don't bother, must eat a shit. Guys!
And the guys see third.
Oh god, people.
When I get to finish guys, it's too much.
Oh, man, I've got to touch out from my back, guys. You know.
Guys, please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Guys,
remember
like,
to
share.
go over to our brother channel and
OJ
subscribe
Vlog
to
TV.
the link will go down in the description, guys. So just click it and go over there.
When
See him
February,
eat off the conflicts.
when February 14 come again, you can go on a girlfriend and on a boyfriend. It's red and white.
Sure.
Yeah.
Give it
Yeah.
yeah.
Good things, remember.
You see me
guys.
now in December, you know, some man frozen, frosted flakes. And the tricks, which one you rather?
Trixie.
Red or white. I
Tanisha, alright,
The
guys,
strawberry last
guys,
what you
guys,
say about that?
guys, look here, please be
Tricks,
asked to the
strawberry
guys,
last the tricks.
please be asked to the all supporters. If you comment which one of them conflicts you prefer, you see me? Because we know most people are going to comment frosted flakes. You see the
No,
frosted
tricks.
flakes, comment frosted flakes. For this tricks,
Hey,
Comment,
comment.
tricks.
You see for the red and white, make we know which one you
Tricks.
prefer, guys. You see me?
red and white I do it, yeah?
See, they up here, so
Yeah.
guys, when I see the name brawling, tricks.
Tricks.
No red
Full of
and white,
tricks.
no
Full of
frosted.
tricks. Full of tricks. Guys, we are
And
back at it
strawberry.
again in full force, you see me? So
Yeah.
you know some videos every day from CC and Nathan. Likewise over there, so pan your boy channel, you see me? Your boy do all of the above, guys, you see me? Sing, dance, everything you could have think of. So go over the channel, subscribe, you see me? Yeah. 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 Remember, guys, you see me? Yeah. Yeah.
Very well.
And guys, we want to go over to CC channel. Link in the description. Go
Oh, yeah.
subscribe.
And
We want to
guys,
go over to his second channel. Wait, babe.
yeah.
We want to go over to his second channel. Go subscribe. Please, me I beg you. Link them in the description because I be a madness.
Stop now.
And guys, we want to go over to CC and our two bestie them channel. You see me, guys? The link is in the description. The channel and the besties. Video post.
And a whole heap of bang and go post over there, some now ask.
Oh yeah, me
So?
edit, you know, allow me to edit to a smash up pass.
We drop one intro over there. And we soon drop the smash up pass over there, guys.
Yeah.
So just go over there.
Go over there
Guys,
and subscribe.
Guess what, no? We have a video phone, you know. The PUBG video.
Me know no go look.
You see, anytime we drop that video there,
Oh,
murder.
yeah.
That PUBG video
Yeah,
there.
guys, I am editing it.
Yeah.
We're gonna leave one little piece at the end of this video.
Yeah.
So boy,
Tell
OJ
me
day night to
if-
see
What
me.
you think
You
about
like
it? Yeah.
Guys,
That go
tell
back.
me
Remember.
if you like it.
Have whole heap of buff. Come on, belly.
People, I love you know. Thanks for your support. You see me?
Please remember to watch the ads, guys.
Yeah.
I really appreciate every support, guys. Every support. Please remember if you give that video your awesome thumbs up.
Which is good for CC and Nathan and your boy over
OJ.
there. So, you see me, guys,
Yeah.
remember say thumbs up help with the algorithm. So please, me, I'm gonna forgive this video thumbs up. You see me, guys?
And share out the video, guys. Share it. Don't stop share. Share it for your WhatsApp, your Instagram, because Instagram on the page. And TikTok on share it for everything. Facebook,
yeah, guys.
everything.
So
Everything. Snap everything.
Everything.
yeah, guys. So until then, you see me, guys. Stay tuned. This is another banger video. We are out.
Out here.
Outside. East side.